my gosh, y'all.
Breadstick Ricky, you're so funny. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, I wonder what it could be. It's Iron Age magazine. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, I've been waiting for this. Look at this beautiful magazine with a shiny cover on it. It's so beautiful. And these wonderful, wonderful posters. It says the Iron Age wants me. I can't believe it. And look at this. Razor Fist with Ghosts of the Badlands, MFR, TJ Marquis, Daniel P. Riley, Owen G. Tabard, Harry Stanford, William Donnelly, and Joshua M. Gonzalez, and all of these fabulous people on here. Oh, King Richard, what have you done? It's just so perfect. Oh, but Daniel J. Snow with Leda Thesis. Wow, I just wish I could meet one of these authors.
Who has summoned me?
Oh my gosh! It's Daniel Justice Snow from ANVIL Magazine!
And what do you require of me?
Oh my gosh, this is such a huge moment for me! Daniel Justice Snow is here! Hey, Danny, can you get me some coffee, please?
Yes, Mother. Is there anything else you need?
Actually, yes. Can you go write some more science fiction for me, please?
I already have, Mother. In fact, you can find several of my stories at danieljusticesnow.substack.com, otherwise known as Captain of the Cosmic Seas. Everything from art to literature to even the occasional theological narrative can be found there.
There's more? Oh my gosh! Stories, art, literature, and everything at your Substack? And people can sign up for free or they can choose to support you? That's amazing, Danny!
Thank you, Mother.
You're welcome. You really are the best son. Now get busy going writing some more stuff.
Yes, ma'am.